These men are members of a 3,000-strong fighting force called LASHKAR ROUGE. The name translates to Army of the Sun. They are Syrian Kurds who came to northern Iraq to help the local Kurdish Peshmerga fight ISIL, and the battle isn't over yet. Mosul is around 30 kilometers in that direction. Basically, from here until the beginning of the city is still controlled by ISIL. Now, Kurdish forces here say that if you look straight through this hole here in the sandbags, that they have seen ISIL forces, ISIL fighters along that road in the last couple of days. The forces say they are regularly targeted by ISIL snipers firing from positions close by. They say ISIL uses the riverbanks and vegetation as cover at night before firing mortars at their position.
We are a defensive force, not an attacking one. We remain on this Kurdish land because we are helping the Iraqi Kurdish Peshmerga defend the people who live here from terrorists and criminals.
The Kurdish fighters in this observation post say they were shot at by a sniper a few hours before we arrived. This bulletproof glass protected us, the fighter says. Iraqi Kurdish Peshmerga in the semi-autonomous Kurdish region of northern Iraq have played a leading role in clearing ISIL from towns and villages since the battle for Mosul started last month. But the fight is far from over. Iraqi forces are struggling to advance into the city from eastern outskirts. They are facing suicide bombers and are concerned about ISIL using civilians as human shields. And there are vast swathes of northern Iraq like this that are still under ISIL control. These Syrian Kurdish fighters say they are vital for the defense of what they describe as Kurdish land inside Iraq. Charles Stratford, Al Jazeera, northern Iraq.